Think you can skip optimization and still win with Amazon ads? Think not. I'll dive into it more in today's video. And you can see right here, our ads spent $200, made over $3,000 in return, 6% ACoS. It's pretty darn good. And the reason why we're getting good results is because we optimized the listing first and then ran ads. If you're just going to run ads blindlessly without optimizing your listing, you're in for a rude awakening, because even the best experts won't get you the results that you want with a bad listing. So before you run ads, we have an internal checklist. You should as well. And I highlighted the ones in green that stand out the most. Is if you do have bad reviews, you need to realize that your ads are not going to do as well as they should, right? So if you have less than a 4-star, it is going to be more difficult. You are going to spend more money to convert a sale. It's just as simple as that, right? Of course, I still want you to attempt to run ads, but just be aware. This one is the first photo. Again, I see a lot of times on Amazon, we're looking at a competitor, we're looking at the first photo, and it's just not good compared to the competitors. It's not good at all. And you want to stand out. You don't want your listings to look fake. It has this huge safety warning on it. This one doesn't look very good. If your title's too short, right? Also, if your title, it needs to tell exactly what the product is in the first 4 words. So sometimes the brand name's so big, it takes up a lot of space. You can actually contact Amazon and remove the brand name from your title, or put it at the end of your listing if you're not able to. So your brand name, sometimes if it's too long, it takes up too much space, and people have short attention spans. So just remember that. Short bullet points, you should have at least 5 bullet points. It shouldn't be super short and sweet. Let's check out theirs. This one just says 6-pack. So again, this one kind of throws it off a little bit. The other ones are a bit decent, but we want to make sure that you have that A+ content. Super important. Sometimes people aren't doing it. If you're not having A+ content, the conversion rate's going to go down. You should have 6 pictures when you first see the listing. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Have at least 6 photos. It should be in stock. It should actually show available. You can see this isn't in stock. But if you ship it into Amazon, you have to wait for Amazon to fully check it in, because then it won't be 2-day shipping. If you don't wait for Amazon to check it in, it's going to be like a month shipping and nobody's going to buy it. It should be Amazon FBA. You should be winning the buy box. There should be no error. And then, of course, when you first start running ads, and let's say you have no reviews, or you do have some reviews, if your price is too high, it is going to be more difficult if this is your first time running ads for that product. First, you want to have a low price point. You want to have solid reviews, or even if you have no reviews, and then start building that up. Understand what keywords people are typing in to convert the sale. Then once you know what people are typing in to convert the sale, you can increase your price. Right? Now, a lot of this seems simple, but you'll be surprised that maybe you're missing a few things on here and they make a huge difference. Now, if you go to our description and go to our website, you can actually get a free listing audit. We'll do a full audit of your entire listing, show you your top competitors, and literally show you what you can do to improve your image versus your competitors, things you can do to improve, which directly impact your ads. Now, again, here's an example of a bad first image in my professional opinion. And then you could see something that's a good first image. This one produces emotion. It makes you think about when you had s'mores when you were younger. It also, if you're hungry, it'll make you salivate. So again, this is a great first image. And then you can compare it to maybe, let's say this was your product, your first image, right? So you want to really attempt to make those first images better, secondary images, make sure your listing's optimized before you jump in and run ads. Now, I'm not holding you back. It's up to you, but that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management and advertising management services. This is where we'll manage your inventory, customer service, optimizing all of your listings, your designs, running your ads, optimizing your ads, getting that cost per click as low as possible so your ACoS is low and your sales are high. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.